Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sorry for the video quality and the sound because I know what I'm filming on is a tablet, not my phone. Today we're at Penrith North Lakes. I was going to be here last year, I was going to do a video here last year. It was on the GoPro, so I don't need to explain any more about why you've never seen it. But this is try 2. A lot wetter and damper-ish, okay? So, what we have is you've got the two main platforms still used today by your kind of London and Glasgow and Edinburgh services, and then we have this third platform. Isn't really used by much, yeah, and Penrith was the junction for the line that went to Keswick, Cockermouth, and then across to Workington, so across the North Lakes, and I believe it was this platform and this little bay platform down here that you used to get your trains to Keswick. Now, as you can see, the station is quite interesting because it's got both an underpass and, sorry, I'm just trying to speed up a bit because I can hear what's coming in. It has an underpass, and it's also now got a footbridge, and it also had a barrow level crossing. So it's kind of like Brody Ferry, it had 3 ways to cross the track one. Yeah. As you just saw the Pendolino, you'll notice that platform 2 is longer than platform 1. And of course, there's platform 3. You can see where tracks would have gone into what probably would have been the original platform 3. And there's also, you can see here, there is actually a yard at Penrith with a tracker-wacker. Interesting fact about Penrith, which ties in with Keswick, is that once Keswick lost its railway line, Penrith the services have kind of started to dwindle. More trains are skipping Penrith and stopping with Oxenholme, just further down the line, because Oxenholme still has connection for the Windermere branch, which is the last railway into the Lake District. Lake District. Your 3 kind of main stations, if you're trying to get to Keswick, are Penrith, Windermere, and then bus up to Keswick, and then Workington, bus to Keswick. Penrith as well, bus to Keswick. It's all, you can't get a train to Keswick anymore, even though the station and track is still there, and you will see that in another video. Okay? But yeah, the Keswick line literally just came from here, went all the way off to Keswick. And there's actually still talks for the line to be reopened. I mean, with most of the stuff being there, it's actually an easier reopening than the Borders Railway, which they had to do a lot of rebuilding work. I mean, there's a couple of bridges they need to redo, but apart from that, there's still potential for railway back to Keswick.
Oh, here it comes.
Come out, you're just going to cut the castle bus stop is behind. Skip. Car park, and then also just want to remind you that is the underpass there, and this is platform 1.